Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, I've got a bit of news here I wanted to share with you all. It's August 19th, 2020 today, and I've just noticed Divi Summer Sale is on. And they've reduced all the prices of it. Divi is an absolutely awesome theme. If you've followed any of my videos, I'm sure you've seen it. If you've already got the Divi theme, fantastic. I've got on my channel, I've got plenty of playlists to help you build with Divi. We've got e-commerce, hover effects, snippets, all kind of things here. We've also got other plugins like Elementor and some CSS, and we do a lot of plain Bootstrap as well. So I'll put this down below the video, as well as my affiliate link to Divi here. Like I say, they've got this sale on, and it might be a good time if you haven't got it already. So I thought I'd just share that with you. Very short video today. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.